Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sheyi and I'm a fashion designer. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your sewing machine to fix buttons and make buttonholes. You need this foot. It would normally come with the sewing machine. This one came with the sewing machine. If yours doesn't have this, then you probably have to buy it. What you will do is just to put your button here and push it in such that it fits like this, and you take it to the sewing machine to fix. I'll show you in a second. The second piece that I need is this for the button. So this is the buttonhole foot and this is the button foot. Let's start with the buttonhole. I will remove the normal foot and replace it with this one. This silver part is what is going to be here, like that. Then over here there is this button, this one that says push. This is the threader. Behind the threader there is this, so you drag it down till it snaps like that. I'm going to do it again. Yeah. After it snaps like that, then you push it till it snaps again. So we have it down and pushed. Now the next thing is my stitch, the type of stitch I will use. This one is the buttonhole stitch, so we'll move it over to here. This is the stitch length. We'll use anywhere between 0 and 1. So let's just leave it at the middle, and here, depending on how wide you want the space between the space in between the buttonhole to be, so we'll use 5. After marking where it will stop, it is this part that you put by the needle. And then you can start. I did not have to push or pull anything. It just did all the work by itself. And so when it got to the end of the buttonhole, then this came back to the front. So there was like a snap when it got to the end, and that was when it started to come back to the front. So you don't have to push or pull anything. Now, like I said, if you want the width, if you want it to be wider, then adjust your stitch width, and if you want it to be longer, you're going to have to adjust your button that you placed here. Now let's try another one. Now let's install our buttons. I'll just take this off. This faces you. This is at the back. So my stitch length for my button is going to be 0. My stitch width will depend on the kind of button that I'm using. I'll show you how that is done. And for here, I'm going to use a zigzag stitch. This guy. Then I'll come and put it in the middle of the foot. I have to adjust my needle to fit into both holes. So I'll carefully raise my balance wheel. See if it fits. Oh, it does. But if it doesn't, that means that I'll be adjusting my width. Pay attention to the needle as I am adjusting the width. Can you see that it's moving? So let's say, just assume that it did not enter when I put it. You just keep adjusting your width to fit into the hole. You can even bring it down closer and keep adjusting. You see that it's away from the hole, but like this, it goes into the hole. So yeah, also it needs to go into the other hole, so it does. But if it did not, just adjust your width again. Let's go back again. Yeah, that works. So now I'm just going to sew. Now that I'm sure that it's going into both holes, I can just sew, and that's it. And this is what it looks like. And just like that, you're able to make buttons and buttonholes faster. If you don't have a sewing machine, click here to watch my video on how you can make button and buttonholes manually. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.